guys, how are you po? Me po o Thailand. I'm still busy po practicing for the competition. I wanted to share with you po my progress in reading.
Sige, pakita mo sa kanila. Marunong ka na mag-read ng konti, ah?
It is time for art class. Pete, that Titi cannot wait. Pete loves art class. He likes to draw. He likes to paint. And play is super groovy. Pete opens the door. Something is not the same. Pete does not see paper. He does not see pen. Pete sees a pad on his desk. Pete looks inside the pad. It is empty. Guys, tuntilan na read ko kasi mahaba na yung video. Pero I can read the whole book na po. Thank you, Mama, for teaching me po.
Oh, you're welcome.
I'm gonna share this wonderful thought po about living your dream. People who say it cannot be done should not interrupt those who are doing it. Thank you so much po guys for watching our video. God bless you all po. Bye-bye po.